Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you an instant poha murkul or atkul murkul. This is a blend of mashed potatoes with poha and few spices, giving it a crunchy, crispy and lip-smacking taste. Complements well with your evening snack either with tea or coffee. So do like and subscribe in case if you have liked this video. Let's watch how to make this instant poha murkul. For poha murkul, first I'm going to powder this thick poha. So first I'm going to take this boiled mashed potatoes. To this add little turmeric, little chili powder, pinch of sugar, finely chopped coriander, a pinch of oma, a spoon of rice flour, poha. Bind this together. Add little salt as per taste. Add a spoon of roasted rava. Add a spoon of oil. Add little milk. I'm going to take this mold. Take a greased plate. So here the instant poha murkul or atkulu murkul are ready, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.